Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today topic is about ability to identify the scope and characteristic of people friendly and eco-friendly productive production system. And myself Sonia Sharma, assistant professor of computer science and engineering department in Chandigarh Engineering College Engineering Mohali. So, let's begin with the contents. In this we will learn introduction, objective, importance, SWT, green marketing, scopes, 3R principle, present scenarios, some eco friendly program and conclusion. So, being the introduction, being a social animal, we need to learn about the rational use of resources that are provided by nature. We got advancement by the help of the nature. It is loyal to treat nature like that. Nature give us everything, but in return, what we do, we pollute it. Then environment in such a way it could not be able to regain its own position. It is our prime duty to bring it back to it is its own form. We need to figure out that solve the root cause of the environmental degradation. We must conscious about the status of environment caution as playing a growth role in production planning development controlling manufacturing high productivity, but should also respond to the need of the resource and need conservation and pollution prevention. Now, what is production management? Basically, production management means planning, organization, directing, controlling of the production activities. And eco-friendly production management means eco-environmental friendly. Is the manufactured product with minimum exploitation. People friendly production management. People friendly production means making production available local and participating for the relation use of the resource. What is its objective? First objective is to know about the concept of reduce, reuse and recycle of non-biological waste. To understand the method to cover the non-recycling waste. To understand the method to reduce the carbon emission and to enhance the public participation in making aware about the problem and to make the product eco-friendly with the nature. Importance, being a bio eco-friendly is becoming more and more important. So eco-friendly does not only mean that you must not have polluted environment, it also means you should be use the resource in good manner. You should some more importance can be learning to consume item that cause minimal environment hardness, like focus on afforestation, focus on green vehicle, buying energy efficient product by using local ground product ahead. Now, SWOT analyze is S means strength, W mean weak, O mean opportunity, and T mean to mind. These call together form a SWOT analyze. Now, next is process of selling product and service based on the environment benefit. Such product or service may be directed in to help to make the environment eco-friendly, stopping the production of the toxic material being made for renewable material, not making use of excessive non-biodegradable product. Some example is Ferrari, Lamborghini vehicle, which are the food green. Wood green. It can be used for studying the present situation of environment, balancing the ecosystem in a wise manner, increase the green economic, can use the local resource manually. Reuse, we can reuse the certain thing. If we do reuse, it can save our environment. Small glass bottle, one should prefer metal, can be used to a glass bottle when buying guides or drinking. So reduce, we need to reduce our amount of waste, like we or use old paper for packing, use fountain pen instead of ball pen, use cloth napkin instead of disposable. Recycle is the process by which waste are used to make a new product, like material like glass, metals, plastic. These all can be reused. We can easily recycle. It can also help to make our environment polluted free. Some ecosystem project like McDonald's use the plastic bag container, paper glass, paper plates. These all help to save the environment. We are in the phase of the 21st century, marching from ancient time to modern. We faced many challenges to overcome. The protection system we introduce should be people friendly. It should be edible, can be digested by our body. This is the graph that show the world pollution. So in this session we'll learn about the ability to identify the scope and characteristic of a people-friendly and eco-friendly production system. In this, we learn how we can save our environment, how can recycle the things help to improve the environment, how eco-friendly vehicles can improve the condition of the environment. I hope this session is clear to all of you, and it was very informative. We'll meet in next lecture again. Have a good day. Thank you so much.